Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be going over 3 index funds that will make you rich. And if you would like to skip to certain parts in the video, I'll link timestamps down below, or you could just skip through it. Anyways, let's get started. If you start at 18 years old and you only put $100 each month into any of these index funds we're about to go over, you would have over $1 million by the time you retire. And of course, if you're older, you would need to increase this amount by just a few hundred and you would be just as fine and you would have over $1 million as well. Really quickly, I just wanted to let you know that all of these index funds that we're about to go over are considered non-speculative and reliable. Coming in at number 3 on this list, we have the Charles Schwab S&P 500 Index Fund. This fund tracks the S&P 500 index and only has a 0.02% expense. And in case you were curious, the expense means how much they take out annually of all your money in their index fund. Coming in at number 2, we have the DIA. This fund is the most expensive one on the list to own, but if you're looking to track more industrial companies, this would be the perfect one for you. This fund tracks the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index and has a 0.16% expense. Coming in at number 1 on this list, we have the Fidelity 500 Index Fund. This fund tracks the S&P 500 Index and has a 0.01% expense. Congrats! You now know what the best index funds are, and I hope this video helped you out a lot. Good luck on putting your money in these index funds and becoming a millionaire!